In this video, you will learn step by step how you can create a Bitcoin wallet address. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to a browser and then we want to search for Trust Wallet. Once we search for this, if we go down, click on trustwallet.com, that will then bring us over to this page. And here is where you will now see an option for web wallet. You can also download the extension. If you scroll down, you will also see a mobile app. So this works the same on mobile. What else we can do is go over to the Chrome store, go to Chrome Web Store, and then simply search for Trust Wallet. Once we search for this, click on the top one, click on Add to Chrome. Once we do this, we will then be able to go to our extensions, scroll down, click on Trust Wallet, and then that will then open it up in a separate tab. From here, you simply want to click on Create a New Wallet. You now want to enter in a new password and confirm the password. Agree to the terms of service, select Next. And then from here, you can choose whether you want to share data or not. I'll just click on share data. Now this means that your wallet is ready to use. If we select open wallet, that will bring you over to this page. Select got it. Click on I'm ready to use Trust Wallet. And now to get your Bitcoin wallet address, all we need to do is go to receive. I recommend backing up your secret phrase because if you lose access to your Chrome or you lose access to your computer, you will need this in order to access your Trust Wallet and any cryptocurrency that you have on Trust Wallet. Now, what we want to do is proceed, and then we can go to Bitcoin, and here is where you'll now see your Bitcoin wallet address and also your QR code. And that's just how simple it is to get a Bitcoin wallet address. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.